Watch me create this stylish purse using the contents of this pink box. Full details on the beginner packs will be in the description of this video. Just a quick heads up before we start. This video is not a step-by-step guide for the floral flat purse. It's all about giving you a sneak peek into the awesome content of the Sweet Pea's Ultimate Beginner Pack. Enjoy watching. The full video tutorial for this purse is available in the beginner's course. Thank you all so much for embarking on this creative journey with me. It has been an absolute pleasure guiding you through the Beginner Ultimate Pack by Sweet Pea. Together, we have explored an array of incredible tools and materials that are sure to ignite your imagination. Remember, with the beginner packs, you have everything you need to take your embroidery and crafting skills to the next level. From the premium self-healing mat to the versatile rulers and the exquisite cork and faux leather fabrics. These products are designed to fuel your creativity. We encourage you to dive into new projects, experiment with different techniques, and let your imagination run wild. Thank you for watching, and remember to keep stitching, creating, and exploring. Until next time, happy crafting. And don't forget to visit sweetpea.com to browse and shop the Sweet Pea Beginner Packs, where you'll find endless crafting possibilities just waiting to be discovered. Full details on the beginner packs will be in the description of this video.